Stimulus or stressor? When you see operators like one of before shown now, what goes through your mind? Let's step back for a philosophical moment. Could each operator be a stimulus? Just for context, a stimulus is a thing or event that generates a reaction in a part of the body of an organism. If I remember correctly, doing division, especially long division, in third grade would be a negative stressor or negative stimulus. Long story short, once I went to high school, division did not have the same effect. Could it be that practice helped me move past this negative stimulus or my way of looking at division problems? So, when you see this problem, do you solve it, ignore it, hope for help, wait for the answer to appear, or something else? Something to consider if you visualize something as negative before starting. It can be a chain reaction that could limit your abilities. Based on order of operations, complete operations inside the parentheses first. So the answer is 17 and not 23 because you subtract the items or operands inside the parentheses first in this scenario. For more examples, go to Unit 2, Section 6 of the free algebra workbook that is offered. See the description below for downloading the free algebra workbook.